Hey guys, so quick video for you about the BitBoss Navigator review. What are the kind of like pros and cons if you want to like kind of like acquire it. So first thing first, for the BitBoss, what you can actually like expect the frame boulder at the start of the show, and it produces like great smoke, and build quality, it's great, 8:1 versatility, so that's great. Then also big hoppers for the size. Then also the great value for the money, and the global cover is included, so that's great. What you can actually like expect from it, but for the cons, I highly recommend check out the reviews, because for some versions I saw that they had problems with the parts, and that's something that I've read. Also temperature accuracy, so the internal probe can be about 50 degrees from the external thermometers, so that's something to be aware of, and what you can actually expect. Cleaning is also kind of tricky, so that's something to be aware of too. You can have temperature fluctuations, and some people also said like the app wasn't great, and I've read that people had problems even with the control board. They were like looking for the alternative to it, so that's another thing. And yeah, so that's pretty much it, what I've also read, and people had like also problem with the customer service primarily. So these are the things that I found out. I hope at least a little bit of value it provided. If no, then I'm sorry. And that's pretty much it. Also, that the power cable is short, that's something you have to be aware of too, okay? And it's like not really the best for the grilling. This is something that I also found. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.